Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove green screen from Kdenlive, which is a free and open source video editor. Let's get started. On my timeline, you can see that I have a green screen subscribe button on top of my main footage. To remove the green screen, we need to apply the Chroma key effect. We can find it in the Effects tab, which I have placed here. You can also access it from this icon near the project bin. In the Effects tab, we have to type Chroma key in the search box, and then we can drag the Chroma key advanced effect onto my green screen footage. As you can see, this automatically makes the green background transparent. But sometimes there might be some green areas left around the object. To fix that, we have to select the footage and go to the Effects Stack tab, which is here. Then we have to use the sliders to adjust the settings until the green areas are gone. For example, we can increase the green slider to make the color key more precise. This also works like a variance slider, which controls how much the color key affects the pixels. A lower variance means that only the pixels that are very close to the color key will be transparent, while a higher variance means that the pixels that are slightly different from the color key will also be transparent. Finally, we can soften the edges of the object using the third slider. This will make the object blend better with the background and remove any jagged edges. Now let's play the video. And that's it. The green screen is now removed, and I can use the subscribe button for my video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.